Good evening, everyone. Today, we're going to talk about a topic that has become increasingly popular in recent years: making money online. With the rise of the internet and technology, making money online has become a viable option for many people, and it's not hard to see why. The internet has opened up a whole new world of opportunities for people to earn money from the comfort of their own homes, and it's an exciting time to be alive. But let's be clear, making money online is not easy. It takes time, effort, and dedication to succeed in this field. However, with the right mindset, strategies, and tools, anyone can make a decent income online. In this speech, I will be sharing with you some tips and tricks on how to make money online. I'll be discussing various online money-making opportunities and the best ways to maximize your earning potential. Freelancing. Freelancing is one of the most popular ways to make money online. It's a great option for people who have a particular skill set and want to work on their terms. There are many freelancing platforms available, such as Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer.com, that connect freelancers with clients who need their services. If you're skilled in writing, graphic design, programming, web development, or any other skill, you can use these platforms to find clients and work on projects. The key to success in freelancing is to build a strong portfolio, network with other freelancers, and provide excellent customer service. Blogging. Blogging has been around for a while now, and it's still a popular way to make money online. It involves creating a blog on a particular niche, such as health, finance, or food, and creating content that attracts readers. Once you have built an audience, you can monetize your blog in several ways, such as affiliate marketing, sponsored posts, and advertising. To be successful in blogging, you need to be passionate about your niche, provide high-quality content, and be consistent in your posting schedule. It's also essential to network with other bloggers in your niche and promote your blog on social media. Online courses. If you're knowledgeable in a particular area, you can create an online course and sell it on platforms such as Udemy, Coursera, and Skillshare. Online courses are becoming increasingly popular, and there's a huge demand for them. You can create a course on anything from programming to cooking, and the earning potential is significant. When creating an online course, you need to focus on providing value to your students and creating engaging content. It's also crucial to promote your course on social media and other platforms to attract students. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing involves promoting other people's products and earning a commission for every sale made through your unique affiliate link. It's a popular way to make money online and can be lucrative if done correctly. To be successful in affiliate marketing, you need to choose the right products to promote, target the right audience, and provide valuable content that convinces people to buy the product. You can promote products through your blog, social media, or email marketing. E-commerce. E-commerce involves selling products online through platforms such as Amazon, Shopify, and eBay. It's a great option for people who want to start their own online business and sell physical products. To be successful in e-commerce, you need to choose the right niche, find the right suppliers, and create a compelling website that attracts customers. You can also promote your products through social media and other marketing channels. Content creation and monetization. The exponential growth of social media platforms and online content consumption has opened up avenues for content creators to monetize their passion. Whether it be through blogging, vlogging, podcasting, or creating engaging social media content, individuals can build a loyal audience and generate revenue through brand sponsorships, advertising, merchandise sales, or crowdfunding. Stock trading and cryptocurrency. For those with a penchant for finance and investment, online trading platforms offer opportunities to generate substantial profits. Whether it's traditional stock trading or venturing into the world of cryptocurrencies, diligent research, and strategic decision-making can result in significant financial gains. However, it is essential to exercise caution and educate oneself thoroughly to mitigate risks. Conclusion: the online sphere has revolutionized the way individuals can generate income, offering a vast array of opportunities limited only by one's imagination and dedication. From e-commerce and dropshipping to freelancing, affiliate marketing, content creation, online coaching, and trading, the digital landscape holds immense potential for those seeking financial independence and entrepreneurial success. Embracing these avenues with a strategic mindset, continuous learning, and a strong work ethic can pave the way for a prosperous online venture. Remember that success in making money online usually requires dedication, hard work, and sometimes a learning curve. It's important to be cautious of scams and do thorough research before engaging in any online money-making opportunity.